Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. Wondershare has been criticized in the past as being greedy and manipulative, but when it comes to their actual software, it's beyond comparison with other video editing software. I realize most of Silicon Valley uses Adobe Premiere, but you practically need a law degree just to access its interface. As you can see, I am simply adding some of the offered media. Like Wondershare 12, you have the categories in the upper left-hand corner, which shows the different types of media that can be accessed. In this case, I chose the SpongeBob theme that so many content creators enjoy using, coupled with some B-roll of corn being tossed onto a wooden table, but with a twist. For the last 6 months, ever since AI has become more prominent in the content world, I have been using AI voice remover for one of my channels, so that I can get the vocals separated from the background music. Now, thanks to the brilliance of Wondershare 13 Beta, you can do it within the app itself. Now, this may take some time, depending on your internet connection. Even then, it seems like because it is in beta, that it likes to glitch out at about 30%, but for in-a-snap reasons, I clipped it so we could get right down to business. You access this feature by simply dragging an audio file over to the track template and right-clicking where you will see AI Voice Remover. Click on that. While we are patiently waiting, I just want to mention that if you are interested in getting the beta but haven't been reached out to by Filmora, it's quite possible because you don't have a membership and are operating within a trial version. Keep that in mind. Also, I went to use Wondershare 12 again, and it seems like accessing an old version of Twitter just doesn't fit right. So respect your craft properly and get access to the new beta immediately. Okay, so enough messing around. As you can see, I'm cautiously moving the isolated vocals from the background music. Then I added the vocals to another song. This one AI generated.
In my head, I don't know what they say. It's something strange in my mind. I don't know if it's good or bad. Sometimes I feel so desperate, and I wanna run so fast to jump over the walls. What is coming next? I hear voices in my head, and I don't know how to pray. They tell me what I have to do, and I'm faced to do my best.
Alright, Filmora addicts, that is it for today. If you are interested in nothing but Filmora content, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.